The next tree I'll be working on is this clump style Black Monkey Thorn. This is one of my first bonsais that I ever bought, and there were about, I think, 7 in this pot, or maybe just 5. I think 2 died, so maybe 6 then, because there's only 4 left. And this tree didn't lose all its leaves, which is very strange, but it is what it is. So the first thing, there's a branch growing downwards that I'm going to take off. And some of these little twigs are still falling. But everything that's growing directly downwards, like this one as well, take off. There's a branch coming right in between the trees that I'm going to take off. Next up on this tree is this branch that's coming forward. I'm going to take it back to there. I'm going to take off this back branch, small one. Next branch I'm going to take back is the one that's going at the back here. I want to bring it back quite hard, actually. So I think up to there. And at the top I want to just take this back. Take this off over here. Take this one back over here. Then this tree's top is growing over this one's top. So I'm gonna take this part off. Like that. There's a little stub there that I can take back. And I'm gonna take that one back there. Take that back there. And that's all I can do to these trees at the moment. I forgot to clean up the bottom here, so let me just cut everything back and see what it looks like. Otherwise I'll just remove it completely. Let me give it another spin for you guys so you can see now. This is the front. Go to the side, the back, the other side, and then back to the front again. Cool. Let me get my last Black Monkey Thorn grouping. Going to start off with this tree over here. There's a small branch that's coming out at the back here that I don't need, it's too low. this one going downwards, I can take off. Gonna take this one back to there. Going to take off this top part over here, making it a little bit shorter. Then at the back I have a couple of long branches that I'm going to take back. I think I'm going to take this one back to there. Bring this one back there. Yeah. That has this one pruned up now. And the next one I'm gonna prune up is the one on the right. The whole top part is dead, so I'm not too sure what to do with that. So I don't know how long deadwood lasts on acacia trees, but it has new branches. So what I'm going to do is maybe just shorten it. And this long one that's coming here, it will cover this one, so I'm just gonna shorten it by quite a lot to there and see what happens here. There's two coming out from the same spot over here. I'm not too sure what to do. Back branch, I'll just prune it back to here, see what happens. Now for the tree at the back. This one is also dead, the whole top part. So this branch is growing over into the tree and in front of the trunk, even if it's a dead trunk. Okay, I'm back. Camera's battery died. Let's continue with the back tree. If you look from the back, and then this branch is going to be growing into this tree. So I'm gonna take it back to there. And over here there's a branch growing into from the front. It's not that bad actually. No, this branch growing out into this direction in front of the main trunk, so that is going off. I'm going to take this one back to there, and this branch over here I'm just gonna take it back to there. Now I'm gonna just clean up the landscape a bit. Now the landscape has been pruned up a little bit, and I'll be looking for some animals to place underneath these trees, just to complete the whole African landscape thing. That's it for these 3 Black Monkey Thorns. Let me give the trees a spin so you can see it from all angles. So this is the current front, and I'm going to the side. This is the back. The other side, and back to the front. Now that my acacias are pruned up, they are ready to grow in spring, which is less than a month away. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more updates. And until next time, cheers.